CGM-121 Seek Spinner. CGM-121B Seek Spinner was a U.S. harassment drone, or a kamikaze drone as it was referred to at the time it was designed, developed by Boeing out of its CQM-121 Pave Tiger UAV. The main difference from the basic model was its seeker head and its explosive payload, while aerodynamic characteristics had only minor changes. Although it was several times cheaper than its main rival, Tacit Rainbow drone, Seek Spinner never became operational. Mission. According to General Lawrence A. Scansey, Seek Spinner was designed for the suppression of enemy air defenses by employing swarming tactics in order to suppress enemy capability to track and engage the overwhelming number of Seek Spinners launched simultaneously. By that even 1-20 hit ratio out of 1,000 seekers launched in a single salvo was to be considered a highly specifications CGM-121B. General characteristics. Crew, none. Crew, none. Length, 6 ft 11.4 in 2.118 m, 18 mm, 18 mm, wingspan 8 ft 5 in 2.57 mm, 7 mm, mm, height 2 ft 0.61 m, 0.61 mm, 1 m 1 mm 1 m and 1 m 1 m m 1 m. Gross weight 280 lb 127 kgw/a booster. Power plant 1X Kiona Eagle 26.7 Kuin 438 cc 2-stroke piston engine 28 HP 21 kW 1 kW. Power plant 1X solid rocket booster performance. Maximum speed 200 mph 320 km/h 170 kn and cruise speed 90 mph 140 km/h 78 kn. Range 500 mi 800 km 430 nmi. Endurance 8 hours. Service ceiling 10,000 ft 3,000 m. Armament optional high explosive warhead. Links. Boeing Fly Seek Spinner.